If you're in need of replacing your fuel filter on your FSJ with the V8 360 engine, you clicked on the right video. Today I'm going to be talking about how I replaced the fuel filter on my 86 Grand Wagoneer and how much it cost. And if you're new to the channel, my name is Garrett and thanks for clicking on this video. I hope you subscribe after watching this video. This is my 86 Grand Wagoneer that I am slowly restoring back to its original beauty. Don't miss out on the uploads I have planned for this vehicle. So to start out this video, I meant to take a video of what the engine bay looked like with the old fuel filter, but unfortunately this is the only thing I have. It's kind of blurry, but there's not much to see, honestly. It's just a picture of the old fuel filter. To take it off, it's really simple. You just have 3 small screws. Use a flathead screwdriver. Unloosen the 3 bolts, and the hoses are easily able to come off of the fuel filter. When I took mine off, it had a little bit of a gas odor to it, but nothing major. I took it off. I was easily able to replace it with the new one. It took me less than 5 minutes, and where I got this part from is from AutoZone. Cost me $6. And before I go, let me talk about the reason why I replaced my fuel filter. So long story short, I was driving the Jeep. I turned out onto a main road. It was about not even 5 miles per hour in, and I gave it a quarter throttle, and the Jeep had 2 loud clunks, and then the engine just stalled, died, and shut off. I then coasted it into a subdivision and tried starting it up again. It started. I put it back in drive from park, and I started to roll off again, gave it a little bit of throttle, and the same thing happened. I shut it off, waited about 30 minutes, and then, strangely enough, I was able to drive it all the way home, and I was about 20 minutes from my house. It was very, very interesting, very weird experience, but that night I looked up on forums and just anything I could find on the stalling situation. I ended up going to the Grand Wagoneer Facebook page, which is a great group to be a part of. If you have one of these FSJs, you definitely need to be a part of the group. I went on there, I typed my story out, and a lot of people were guessing that it was a fuel issue. Water in the lines, water in the gas tank, debris, dust, not dust, but you know, dirt in the fuel lines, fuel filter even. A couple people mentioned the fuel filter, that this same scenario happened to them. They replaced the fuel filter and it's never happened since. This dramatic experience happened back in December for me, and I've only driven the Jeep a couple of times since December. But I think that is the main cause, and I'm gonna go with that. But the 2-3 times I've driven it, nothing has happened. Jeep has been running smoothly. I've actually done a couple of small maintenance engine upgrades since, so I'm about ready to drive the Jeep here again soon, right after I finish up the radiator flush. But anyways, thanks for checking out this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, what are you doing? You need to subscribe, please. Follow the restoration project. If you have one of these that you are restoring or whatever, drop your name down below in the comments. I'd love to give your YouTube account or Facebook or Instagram, whatever you have, a follow and check out what you got going on. Thank you. I can't talk. Thank you so much for stopping by, taking time out of your day to watch the video. Take care.